Alright, so I redesigned this texture based poster, and of course I will show you how to create designs like this using textures in Photoshop. First, let's create our basic composition. Choose any photo you like, then add your text. After that, select all the layers along with the background layer, right click and choose convert to smart object. Now keep this layer selected and go to filter, then blur gallery, then apply fill blur. Here you need to set multiple blur points. Set them the same way I am doing here. Make sure that faces or important areas you want to keep visible stay unblurred. Once all the blur points are set, click OK at the top side. Next, we will add textures. I will share the texture download link in the description. Place the texture layer above all the other layers, then change its blending mode to normal to hard mix and reduce the fill to 90%. After that, choose another paper texture, double click on this layer to open the layer style panel. Under blending options, adjust the underlying layer sliders. You can tweak the rest of the settings according to your preference. Once you are satisfied, just click OK. Now, if you notice that some text isn't clearly visible or you need to make further adjustment, go back to the smart object layer we created earlier. You will see the blur gallery applied it there. Double click it to modify the blur points again. Just keep in mind using these effects puts heavy load on your computer, which may cause Photoshop to lag or freeze, so I recommend closing all other applications and software while working on this edit. And that's how you can create designs like this using textures. Thanks for watching.